Hello and welcome in my new unboxing video. Today I want to talk you through my new purchase, which is Kärcher pressure washer K5. I upgraded my previous pressure washer, which was Kärcher K4. Really trust the company, never had a problem with it. Definitely recommend it. You can still buy it on the Amazon or wherever you fancy buying stuff. For good money, Kärcher K4 still good. Like I say, I just upgrading it to something new after 3 years. So without further ado, let's just get started with unboxing the new pressure washer. It's pretty simple, should be pretty simple. So this anymore. I purchased the you got a few different models which you need to check which one you want. This one is K5 premium with a smart control. You got also with some other controls. It's basically the gun itself is with the different trigger gun is with the different settings and stuff like that. So you just need to see it which one you fancy. I purchased this one off the Amazon again, sorry. 379 quid, I believe. In the box you can find the 10-meter hose for the gun. You got water filter pre-installed, smart control gun, 3-in-1 multi-jet. So basically, instead of having the various different lenses, you've got just one, and then you're switching it off for the different settings, whatever you want to clean it, your car, whatever. This one is a bit different than the previous model. The previous model was a bit pain in the ass for me, because for the hose itself, you have to just pull it to the back, wasn't any wheel. This one already, I can see it now, is actually the wheel on the back. So that should be good. Obviously you've got the in here endless possibilities with the right accessories. I believe so. Well, I'm not gonna read that, so sorry. For me, it's wasting of the time. I just wanna set it up, get it out on outside, and start using it. Basically, scan your product code and get your benefits. So not too sure about this. Gonna do this one at some point, let me know now. Right, so instruction. So again, I don't think so people these days reading the instruction, but if you want to, more than welcome, there's nothing wrong with it. Product registration, so we're gonna register this one definitely at some point someday, definitely not now. So that's some, you got your handle and the adapter for your external tap, and also I believe those are bolts for the wheels. So we get to that point in a minute. Not too sure what this is yet, but anyhow, I'll just leave this one over here. And inside, as usual, some wheel. So I might need that instruction. But this is stone and paving cleaner. So one is added to the set, to the kit you're buying. Like I say, K5 premium with a smart control. That's what you're looking for if you want to buy exactly this product. This is, I've been always interested in this, how this one's working. I'm opening this one up, because this one's cleaning your driveway or everything outside, basically floor, cleaning the floor. So not gonna be a that's alright then. Let me just move this away. Right. Hard or soft, so I assume it's so this one, by the looks of it, it's when it's soft, it's actually hiding, so it's going down, so the pressure of the water's going up. And this one, if it's hard, it's going very closely to the surface. So if it's I can just assume if you got the your driveway is very dirty, you're going on hard if it's just a whatever medium, then you're going on medium, and then the soft, whatever you fancy again. So these, right, I've got another wheel. We're gonna use it in a second. Let's see what else we've got. So this is some sort of handle. Definitely will need this. Ooh. I believe this is going on out the front, so we'll get to this in a second again. And that's the lens extension for your floor cleaning attachment. So it's very simple. Push it, twist it, just like that. Then you can connect your lens as well, give you a bit more space. So we get that in later on. And here we go. That's your 3-in-1 lens. That's actually clever, I think. It's less lenses, less swapping things around. So you get 3 options: soft for, not too sure why it's a fence here, timber fence, or medium for a car, and a hard for a brick, well, looks like a brick wall or any type of, walls, hard surfaces. So that should be good as well. Then finally, we get to the, I know where it's going. I'll show you this in a second. So you've got your lens here, smart line, so we can sync with your app. Not too sure why would you do that, but anyway, we can always try this. And let's give you, that's actually quite nice. Oh, we might actually need to use the instruction itself of how is it working. So anyhow, we'll get to that in a second. And let's get this vehicle out. Definitely heavier than the previous model. Whoa. Need this anymore. So first things first, this is a small net which going on the back. Same thing, they need to do some wheel on this as well, so we can, something like for the hose itself, so we can wind this down instead of putting all of these in here. So this is very simple as well. This is when you're not using your pressure washer, obviously. You can wind the cable down in here. So yeah, if I can make a suggestion for the Kärcher people, if you're watching it, if you're bothered, if you can, could you do something here, like a little wheel for this cable, so we can wind it down, so we don't have to do this? Should be alright, isn't it? That's my suggestion now. But we will use it, so I'm just gonna start with the wheels, as we done last time. So the wheels. So in here you can see the screw hole. If I say it right, just pressing that in here, and you should have some screws for that. Let's just, before we lose any parts, I'm just gonna, right. So this one's in. Anything else in here? No. I'll grab some screwdriver. Also, while I've been shopping today in B&Q, I've seen the, the attachments for your lens, the new attachment. which is a little brush, which I buy to wash the car as well. So 11 quid. Before they've been like £20, but anyhow. And I also buy the car shampoo, which is going somewhere over there. We'll get to that in a second. So first things first, let's just actually put this cable back in here so it's out of the way. So we're gonna turn things around. So this is a bit of a pain in the ass, sorry. But it looks alright, but you could do better, you know, for 389 quid. Yes, you can do definitely better than that. So that's the handle. It's going up there somewhere. We'll get to this part in a minute. We've got some 2 screws which are loose. We've got a couple of different screws over here. So you know what? I've been laughing from the instruction users, however, sorry for that. I'll just go with this quickly. Right, so on the page 4 you've got the screws. I believe that they are screws description, what, where and where is it going. So if we go on the next page, oh, we need some batteries. Okay. It might be complicated actually. Look. One second, let's see what else we've got in here. That's the racer surface cleaner. Oh, okay. So that just separate instruction for the surface cleaner, not floor cleaner, it's surface cleaner. Anyhow, I believe those ones going in here. I'll just take my chance. 30, maybe not. The what is assembly? Page 10. Initial setup. Insert the wheels. Yeah, we've done it. I hide the thingy. The cable, secure the wheels with 1 screw each. Okay, 1 screw each, but which screw? E. A bit tricky, but anyhow. So you've got the different screws which are within the box, and you go in here on the picture E. Then you need to have a glasses. I assume so. You pick up the you need the screw number 3, obviously 2 of them. So on those ones. Have we got any other screws? Oh yeah, we have actually. Good stuff. So they are actually those 2. Right. It should be very simple. Screw this in. Right, so they should not fall off. Only 2 of those screws, so I'm just gonna hold them for now. Hopefully they're going somewhere. Well, they're turning, that's for sure. Right. So I can think, right, I'm not gonna need this one, so I got my garden top already. Those two we get to the thing in a minute. Leave those screws here. So wheels are on. Now this thing. So it's like holding down your what you call it, your lances. You'll see what I mean in a second. Because they just going in here, hopefully. Yeah. Place that on the side, and you've got, they're not screws, they're like bolts, which they're going in here. So just going in here, and you're just pressing them in, and this is now secure. Right. So if it's done, next we're going to lens holder. So we got two plastic which is sliding, I assume. Yeah. Alright. Sure about this? Yes. So this slides in just like that. You can hear a little click. Oh, okay. And then you need to screw this in as well. Oops. Right. So as you pressing those two plastic bolts, you actually need to screw two screws in as well. I'll just do this one now. This is now secure. Right, and now another two screws going in. Two screws here to hold this plastic cap. Last four screws. I will get two more, but we'll get to that point in a minute. Oh, you plunker. Right. Now this is connection for your garden hose. This going just in here. Obviously. Yeah, so that's going in, that's secure. So the last thing to screw in is a handle. It can only go one way. Yes. Right. Just reading the sticker on the side, it says protect from the frost, frost schützen. Same thing in German, basically. So yeah, just make sure if you're not using it for some time or for winter, just make sure you drain it down. That's your handle, which is, well, I can't say great, but anyhow. So your liquids. They got protective caps, you just need to remove them and place them into here. Then the washer itself is gonna mix of whatever you need to clean. Same is for the car, you're just removing the cover and, well, turning around, placing it. You can also buy just the liquid in the store, so you don't need to particularly use this product. You can empty the bottle and get whatever you fancy. So I tried this one. If I'm not gonna like it, there's so many out on the market which you can buy. So yeah. So now if I turn this around, let's just cut this away. Do I need to do anything with that? No, because it's already placed through here, so you can remove it, but obviously it's in now, so I'm just going to leave it out there. Right, okay, so that's how it's work. So our next step is going to be a connector, which I already done it. The garden hose connector, and now is the lens. Oh, so the battery is already in, I assume. Oh, that's very simple. So just pressing these here, and you can replace your battery. It's got a little seal here, so it should be waterproof. Very nice material. That's why I like the products. You know what for you pay. In here, you've got the release button for your hose. It can only go one way, so just clicks. So you don't need to do anything. Basically, just click and it's on, right? So this is a protector, just to lock the gun itself. The gun's going in here. Yeah, just looks like it. And your lens can go to the side. Just like that, for the storage. So that's about it, really. Let me just try it. So to connect the the lens, you just pushing, turning, and let it go. And then you just, for different settings, you're just turning it for whatever you fancy. I'm not sure which one is on at the minute, but I can try this one in a sec. So we've got a mix and soft and hard surfaces. So I assume where the click is, hopefully here. So anyhow, that's for this lens. I want to show you as well, before we go any further, actual finish. So that's what I thought. To secure this one in place, the surface cleaner. Same principle. It's going in, pushing, turning, and let it go. And to secure, so it's nice and steady, so you're not gonna mess up with the any washes inside. Same for the lens in here. Got a good enough table, but we'll try. Just need to go right back to insert the extension, and then again securing in a place. Gun with a trigger and an on and off switch. Once everything is connected to power and water, I will try it now on my driveway and the sidewalk, and at the end I give it the car a quick wash. If you watch this far, I'm sure you like this channel, so hit that subscribe button and watch out for more videos like this and many more.